In this video, we're going to show you how to install the wheel center caps on your Jeep Grand Cherokee, located on each wheel. Now, in order to install your center cap, you do not actually have to remove the wheels. You're going to use a small pick and reach in behind the lug nut here and gently pull it outward. You're not going to cause any damage to the wheel or the center cap. I'm using a small angled pick like this here. I'm going to come right in here, put it right behind the lip of that plastic and gently pull out. Take your new center cap, line that up, press it into place. Repeat for the other three.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.